So in this video, you'll be learning how to turn the camera timer on or off on the Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the camera app. Then from here, at the toolbar on the top of your screen, you should see this timer icon. So to enable the camera timer, simply tap on it and choose the time period you want to use. So you're given 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. So select what option that you prefer. So say for example 5 seconds. And now I can press on the shutter button and I can start the countdown for the 5-second timer. Then it takes the image. Alternatively, if you choose a longer period such as 10 seconds, like that, then you also have the option to pause it. So you can start the countdown, and if you want to stop it, say you want to adjust something, then just press on this button here again, and it will stop the countdown. You can adjust whatever it is you're adjusting, and then start the countdown again. If you want to disable the camera timer, it's fairly simple. Tap on that icon again, then select the timer icon that doesn't have a time period. Once you've done that, you'll notice now whenever you take photos that there is no timer appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.